everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Varia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the specific area of AFM, Accounting and Financial Management for Bankers. How are we everyone? I hope you are all doing fine. And before I proceed further, I hope I am audible as well as clearly visible. Acha, one more thing everyone. I hope you remember that our new series is starting from tomorrow for the examination, so kindly be there in our regular sessions for the same, because these regular sessions are as per your examination. So I hope you all are taking it very seriously for your exam as well, right? All the classes and their PDFs are available for you. You can take up our courses, numerical batches here, crash course 2.0 is here. So all these courses are available for you. So if you're planning to purchase our courses, then you should hurry up and get the courses right away, because every single day is super duper important, you know. Okay everyone, let's begin with the session. We're talking about the basics of accounting as we started in the last class. So let's look at it everyone. But with this, there's one more thing to let you know. Our courses are currently available at 80% discount. For that you just need to use the code Y541 and you can get the courses at the lowest price. That is at 80% discount by using the code Y541. So if you are planning, then you should purchase our courses right away for the same, and make sure if you are planning, then you are doing it before time, before the specific registration ends. You should definitely check out and exploit this particular situation for your benefit. Acha everyone, one more thing, please share the session, like the session, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Done everyone? So here comes the first question everyone. What does it say? It talks about trial balance. Which of the following errors would not affect the trial balance? Everyone, what's going to be the answer? Recording an expense as a revenue, omitting a transaction entirely, incorrectly totaling a ledger, or transposing digits in journal entry. What's going to be the answer? When we talk about which of the following would not affect the trial balance. Recording as an expense as a revenue, this will affect the debit and the credit side. Indeed it will. Then next point is omitting a transaction entirely or transposing digits in this area. So I think I'll take up the area of complete omission. Omitting means having a complete omission. You forgot to record certain things entirely is covered as omitting. Done everyone? So in this case, this is called Acha would not affect. Nahi. Omitting a transaction entirely. The answer is B. The correct answer is B. Let me correct it. The answer is actually B only. The omission is actually of two types. One will affect your trial balance, the other will not. One is complete omission, which will affect. One is partial omission, which will not affect. Okay? Done? Complete omission means I forgot to record something altogether. If I forgot about recording it altogether, then how will I find the difference? How will there a difference arise? How will I find out whether things are going right or wrong? So overall, even if you want to, you can't find the difference. You can't find out whether you were going wrong or you were going right. Chaliye. Here comes the next question. While preparing the specific trial balance, which of the following errors would cause it to still balance despite being incorrect? Even though it would be incorrect, but it will still affect what? Done, everyone? Omitting a particular transaction, recording a particular transaction twice, or incorrectly classifying an expense as an asset or transposing digits. I think the answer would be both A and B. In this case, the answer is both A and B. If you forget about a transaction completely, then this will affect it. If the transaction is partially done, then it will not match. So in this case, the answer is actually B. Okay? Done, everyone? Next question. While preparing the trial balance, which of the following errors would cause it to still balance? Achha, this is what we are done with already, no? Next question. Which of the following statement is true regarding post-closing trial balance? Once the entire books of accounts are closed, and then we are looking at it, then which of the following statements is true regarding the post-closing trial balance? After the closing, looking at the trial balance. It includes only permanent or real accounts. It includes only temporary or nominal accounts. It includes both permanent and temporary accounts, or it is prepared by closing entries. When we talk about post-closing, that means the books of accounts have been closed. The profit or the loss has already been transferred. That means by the end of the day, our expenses and incomes have been already adjusted. They are transferred to the respective accounts and thus helping in finding the profit or loss of the organization. So in this case, can I say that during this specific area, none of the expenses and income accounts will actually survive? Done? Everyone, what's going to be the answer? The answer is it includes only real account. Done, everyone? What's the reason behind putting only the real accounts? Simple. Real accounts includes only the value of the assets, and the liabilities and the personal accounts are also covered in this area. So these, they have a closing balance. That's why. Done? Next question. If a company fails to make an adjustment entry for accruing expense, what effect will it have on financial statements? Overstate the liabilities and overstate the expenses. Understate liabilities and understate expenses. Overstate liabilities and understate expenses, or overstate liabilities and understate expenses. Everyone? What's going to be the answer? If a company fails to make the adjustment expenses of accrued expenses basically an expense which is not noted. What effect will it have on the financial statements? It will have a stronger impact because now the expenses are basically not recorded and your liabilities are also not recorded. So in this case, you are actually understating your liability. You haven't noted down the liability. है ना? And overstate. Done, everyone? Everyone? Done? Next question. Acha, everyone, please download the app right away, because through the app you will get all our courses and all the details of every single course and class that we are taking up. So I think it would be really beneficial if you go through the app directly, which will provide you uh, the information so that you can pursue our courses accordingly. You know? Now, let's talk about the question, everyone. If a company records an adjusting entry of for a prepaid insurance that hasn't expired yet, insurance means it's an asset, yet which account will be affected? Increase the prepaid insurance, decrease in insurance expense, then increase insurance expense and decrease prepaid insurance, increase prepaid, increase insurance, or decrease both of them. Everyone, a company records an adjusting entry for prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance is an asset for the company. As soon as a part of your insurance become prepaid, then everyone, when we talk about the prepaid insurance, na, It is actually prepaid insurance to insurance expense. The expense which is actually noted is reversed, and we're gonna create another account. So in this case, the correct answer is increase the insurance expense. No, this is wrong. The correct answer is you are increasing your prepaid. Done, everyone? In this case, the correct answer has to be prepaid insurance to insurance only. Next question, everyone. A passbook is showing an overdraft of 9750. A check of 750 is presented. Everyone, what's going to be the answer? There's a passbook which is having an overdraft. Matlab minus 9750 is there. If a check is presented, you deposit a check which is not received by them yet. But in this case, we have to reach from cash book to passbook. Everyone, what's going to be the answer? In this case, the answer is an overdraft will increase because in both the cases, we have more money getting down. Done, everyone? Acha, this is the answer for the specific question. This is a part of BRS, that is Bank Reconciliation Statement. If these classes are really useful to you now, then please go ahead and enroll in our courses right away. The time is ticking away, everyone. Before this opportunity ends, go to our website, that is www.adda247.com, and go on to the specific area of JIB and CIB. Go to the area of JIB May 2024 and you will find all our courses. Use the code Y541 and you will get 80% discount. So make sure that you're utilizing it for the best. So check it out. Use the code Y541 and get the maximum discount. Thank you so much, everyone. We'll be meeting in the next class tomorrow at the same time, 7:30 p.m. Bye bye, everyone.